Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel Crochet and Craft House. In this video I will show you how to make Arabic jasmine flower bracelet. For this bracelet we will need two colors of yarn, off-white and green in any color. First of all, we will make flowers with off-white yarn. Make a magic loop, then make chain 2, 1 and 2, then pull up the yarn and yarn over and pull up the loop for 7 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Now make a single crochet and yarn over all 7 time pull-ups. Now we will make picot stitch with chain 2 and make a slip stitch here and make chain 3 and 1 single crochet into the magic loop or magic ring. Again we will make chain 1, pull up the yarn and yarn over 7 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Then again yarn over and pull up the loop and make a single crochet, then chain 2 and make a picot stitch here, then chain 3 and single crochet here. Now we have completed our 2 petals. We will make more 3 petals like this. Repeat these for 3 times more and your flower will be completed. We have 4 petals in total and we are going to make our last and 5th petal. Chain 2, yarn over 7 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Again pull up and make picot with chain 2 and chain 3 and insert your hook here and make a single crochet here. Make chain 1 and cut the yarn. Now make the shape of your flower. Hide these chains under the flower from any side, from back side or from front side. Now we will make bud with green color. For the center part of flower, we'll make a magic loop, then chain 1 and yarn over and make half double crochet and again close with chain 1, and we will cut it from here and tie the both loops. Insert this bud at the center part with the help of crochet hook or tapestry needle. Now tie the all loops together for 2 times. Tie them for 2 times and cut the yarn here. You can secure your ties or knots with hot glue gun or fabric glue. Now we will join our bracelet with green yarn. Here we have 5 flowers. These are best for my arm size. Now we will join them from the back side of the flower. Pick any one strand of yarn here and make a slip knot. Make chain 2 and make single crochet here. You will join this with single crochet and now make chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Join this from any of 2 or 1 strand here with the single crochet and make chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we will join the second flower. Pick any strand from the back side of the flower and make a single crochet and make chain 4, make chain 3, not 4. Now join chain 4 here with the slip stitch or a single crochet and make chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we will join rest of 3 flower using this pattern, and I will turn back to you after joining one side of flowers. As you can see that we have joined all 5 flowers at one side. Now we will go through the second side. When you reach here, make chain 2 and make a slip stitch or single stitch. I mean to say that join chain 2 with a single crochet or a slip stitch by picking 1 or 2 strands. Now make chain 3 and turn here. Pick 1 or 2 strands of yarn and make a slip stitch or single crochet. Now make chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and now join the second flower here. Now make chain 3 and join chain 3 here. Again make chain 4 and join the third flower. Like this. This is the right side of our bracelet and this is the wrong side. Keep crocheting using this method until you reach here. After reaching here, we will make chain 2, 1, 2 and join the both parts with very first stitch like this. Now we will make chain 25 or more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. Now we'll change the color. We will make one bird with off-white yarn. Again we will pull the loops. Yes, here we will pull the loop and yarn over 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Again pull up the loop and make single crochet, chain 2 and slip stitch here, chain 3 and slip stitch here. After making this, we will repeat the same method at the other side of the bracelet. Your beautiful bracelet is ready now to wear. After making these both sides, secure the uh, ends or knots with hot glue gun or fabric glue. So if you like my videos, please keep subscribing and keep supporting, keep commenting. Take care of yourself and your family. See you in next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.